If you send money through Gaza territory, it touches Hamas. It's nearly impossible for it to not do that. Let's take this in a slightly different direction about where this can be problematic. I'm going to call it a Trojan horse. We know that the leftists, United Nations, they don't want Israel to go into Rafah. They don't want them to finish this job. They want a ceasefire right now. So if you send in or allow the Biden administration to send in, let's say 1,000 aid workers, all of these trucks, pallets workers, things like that, you are literally sending in the human shields that Hamas wants to come in there so that Israel can't take their military in there and finish this job, get American hostages back, get Israeli hostages back. That's the Trojan horse element I see to it.